We call it many names: awareness, attention, focus, presence, vigilance, or a more simplistic term is mindfulness. Hello, I'm Aparna. Welcome to a brand new series, Mindful Living. Over the course of this month, we will explore several aspects of mindfulness and how you can inculcate it into your life. We will explore how mindfulness at work can lead to productivity. How can you lead a mindful life? And how can you be a mindful citizen and contribute to your community and society at large? And for those who do not know what it is, mindfulness is a state of open, active attention to the present. It means living in this moment, awakening yourself to the current experiences, not dwelling on the past, not dreaming of the future. The concept of mindfulness has been around for thousands of years. In fact, it is one of the fundamental principles of Buddhism. The practice is really simple and the results extremely powerful. When you practice mindfulness, you will begin to experience a lot more in your life. You will feel more content, more fulfilled, less stressed, increase in your appreciation and gratitude towards everyone and everything. So how can you inculcate mindfulness in your life? I will give you two simple methods of doing this. For starters, all mindfulness requires of you is to ditch the past and the future focused thoughts and concentrate on now. N-O-W, now, this very moment. You're sitting there and watching me. And to hold on to this moment, just breathe. Yep, it's that simple. Something that we do naturally, but this time you are going to focus on what's really going on with you. As you breathe in, mentally say, I am breathing in. As you breathe out, mentally say, I am breathing out. When you say this aloud mentally, you are concentrating on your breathing in and breathing out. You are physically present in that moment. Repeat it as long as you can hold on to this attention. The other simple way to practice mindfulness is to put all your senses to work. Just pay attention to what do you see, what do you hear, smell, feel. Engage all your senses simply by paying attention. Like right now, I'm sitting in this balcony. I can hear people talk. I can hear the vehicles pass. I can feel the subtle wind on me. I can see that it is raining outside. And I feel at peace sitting among these plants. And I'm excited to be talking to you about all these things. As you notice what is happening right here, right now, you're being completely mindful and fully present. That's it for today. Those are my two tricks. I hope you find this short, sweet introduction to mindfulness useful. Just remember, mindfulness is not something that you do, it is a way of being. And as you practice mindfulness, it will become part of your life. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and of course, be mindful if you have subscribed to my channel or not. Hit the subscribe and the bell button so you can never miss an update from me. I hope you have a wonderful time. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.